Welcome to 110 Hardwood Court, our newest listing at beautiful Lake Gaston.
Located in the heart of Lake Gaston, just a few short steps to the lake, this home has been designed for lake living. The main floor of this house has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and an open kitchen living room area with beautiful windows that bring in those lake views. The second story has recently been renovated with 2 additional flex rooms and a full bath.
Outside, this gently sloping lawn is tastefully landscaped and lake living is easy. Enjoy dinners on the deck, relaxing in the hot tub, or head down to the dock for fun. And best of all, the sunset views are fantastic all year long.